What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to make a double bacon smash burger. Been craving one, so I'm going to make one. Come on in, check it out, and let's get it cooking. Alright, so over here we got the buns. These are the biggest buns we could find, so hopefully they hold it all. We got some pepper jack cheese, some shredded lettuce. You know we got that thick cut bacon. We got 1 pound of 80-20 ground beef. That's going to be some good stuff. We got some ketchup and mayo, and then we got some onions. I'm going to be cooking them. I think I'm going to cook them just like that, but I don't know. We'll see what the wife says. All right, let's get it going. All right, let's go ahead and just get started on the bacon. I'm going to put some oil over the whole thing because that's how I like to do it. We're gonna get the bacon going first. I got the griddle real hot right now. Let's see what temp we're rolling with here. Where'd it go? We got 415, 420. So I'm only cooking, I don't know, like 4 pieces of bacon. This is that thick cut. Let's go ahead and get this stuff rolling. Oh yeah. There we go. That is a thick one right there. I like it. Okay. Come on, split apart. We'll be the last one to get in trouble. All right, let's get that going. Now, I'm gonna let that cook. Yeah, I'm gonna let this get going because the patties are gonna go real fast. You know how smash burgers are. Doesn't take much time at all. So let's just let this get going, and all right, so let's give this bacon a look-see, see how we're looking. I think we're gonna be doing okay. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. All right, I'm gonna get these onions going. I'm just gonna cook them in these slices, so it's like a whole thing of onion. Just gonna get them going. Not sure how much I'm gonna need, but we'll see. All right, let's work on some patties. So I got this 1 pound package right here. I'm gonna just basically cut it into 4s, and that's gonna be the amount I'm gonna use on the patties, I guess. So let's yeah, I'll just use my spatula. Nope, it's a little hot. I don't want to burn the styrofoam. So alright, so we're about ready to throw on some of these patties. So I'm gonna put a little bit more oil down right here. Just get that around. Got some bacon grease in there too. That ain't gonna hurt nothing. Oh yeah. Alright, let's give these a look, see how we're doing. Yep, these are just about done. And actually I'm gonna turn these down. The 2 left ones I'm going to turn down because I'm going to be putting the buns on there as well. So let's go ahead and put these on. Forgot my salt and pepper. Let me grab that. All right, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and get these patties going here. We got 1. We got 2, 3. And the little one for the daughter. All right, get that here. Wipe this hand. All right, put a little salt, pepper. There we go. There we go. All right. Now let's give these a flip real quick. Ooh, buddy. Man, super slippery. There you go. Kind of coming apart a little bit. Man, do they look good. Ooh, boy, that's going to be delicious. All right, let's give these things a smash. I'm going to move the bacon, which is done, over to there. Remember, I got these 2 off now, so I should probably move these over. But Yep, let's go ahead and just move them over a little bit. Got a little bacon grease action over here. That smells delicious. Alright, let's go ahead and smash them. Get this parchment paper. And just give it a smush. Ooh. Oh, that one came out a little funny, but looking good. Alright, throw that away. Alright, now we're just going to let these things cook up. You know what, I'm just going to let them cook up a little bit. Put a little salt on here. I think we're good on the pepper. Alright. Boom. So this stuff's just about, actually, yeah, this stuff's pretty much done. And then the patties are only going to take a minute, so get this bun going now. Just going to plop you right there. Right here. Yeah, I'm going to probably do both sides of the bottom because it's a little soft and I don't want it to get all soggy, so we'll do that. Let's see how we're looking on this. That bacon is done. See how we're looking here. Oh yeah, we're looking good on that too. Let me put that back together. Get in there. Alright. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good. Alright, let's give these things a flip now. I moved this bun. Let's see how we're looking on this bun. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks good. Give it a flip. Ooh. There we go. Let's move you over here. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Alright. Go, let's get some cheese going. Yeah, pepper jack, and pepper jack. My daughter, she would like some shredded cheese, so throw some of that on hers. There we go. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, cool. This bun is done. I'm just gonna take that off right there. Bacon's done. We're looking good. All right, just waiting for that cheese to melt. And once the cheese melts, the burgers are done. Oh yeah, this is looking real nice. It's gonna be a good bun. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off right here. There we go. All right. All right, let's go ahead and start making this. So we're gonna throw some mayo on the bottom here. There we go. Get some on the top. A little more than I thought, huh? There we go. Good on that. Now I have all the burners off at the moment. We're done with the mayo. Let's go ahead. We're gonna start off with, let's go with this one. Ooh, that cheese is sizzling. There we go. Throw you right there. Let's throw some bacon on here. A couple pieces worth. It's real hot. All right. Let's throw on a little ketchup. Throw on some lettuce. Man, still moving. Trying to get this whole table situation figured out over here. It's a mess. All right, we got some lettuce on there. Now let's throw this on right here. Oh, you know what? We need onion too. Yeah, let's throw the onion out first. There we go. Some hot onion. Patty. Look at that. Ooh, boy, that's gonna be good. All right. You know, I'm gonna throw a little bit more ketchup right here. There we go. Come on in and check this bad boy out. Alright, y'all see what I got here. This nice medium burger. It's gonna be a hot one, I know that, but let's jump in. Ooh. It's big. Ooh. That is amazing. That bacon is nice and crispy. That onion is delicious. I gotta get in and eat. It's good and it's falling apart. Appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you like what you see. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. You know that.